What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video, finally on the Caddy, because it's been a while since we've done a video on the Caddy. So amongst its Christmas tree of lights on the dash, we are going to fix the ABS, because when we did the axle, if I remember rightly, one of the plugs actually broke off the near side rear sensor. So today we're going to be removing the old sensor and fitting this new one. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've got the wheel off and everything's ready, and if we look down here, you can see the sensor and the bolt just here, which is a 5mm Allen key. So what we're going to do, just get this 5mm Allen key out and try and wiggle the remains of the sensor out of the actual stub axle, and then we're going to unplug the broken part from the actual wiring harness itself. So it's literally just a 5mm Allen key. Yeah, please.
Well, that's why I got it.
Ah.
Because the other one's bigger, and that one you don't need so much.
Yeah.
You don't need too much room.
Okay. She's probably going to be a bit stuck, so we'll get some pliers and we'll see if we can give her a little wiggle out. Let's give her a little spray.
Grips on it, and I'll leave the grips. Pull them forward a bit.
No, you just leave it over. Sweet. Alright, well that's the old sensor out. As you can see, seen better days. So all we'll do now is try and get this plug out of the wiring loom, and then we should be able to fit our new ABS sensor. Okay, so we have the sensor out. Luckily it came out quite nicely. We just did it off camera because you guys don't really need to see that boring stuff. So what we're going to do now, get our new sensor, place her in, give her the slightest of taps with a suitable tool. And then thread her in by hand to make sure we don't cross thread nothing. And then we'll tighten her up. She's tightened, plug her in, and she is ready to go. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to plug her in, make sure all the codes are cleared, and just be aware, normally when you do this, sometimes the codes won't actually clear until you actually hit 20 miles an hour when driving on the street, so please bear that in mind. So let's go over to the scanner now and be sure to clear them codes. Okay, so in typical fashion of what we want to do, and whenever we want to do it, the scanner has somehow corrupted the file that we use to actually plug into the cars. So we now have to send that off after obviously having to get a new GoPro. Literally, we can't win on this channel. However, Luke's just taken it literally to the black car on that street, and it's already put the traction control and ABS light out, as you can see, which is quite nice. So a win on that part, because a lot of lights now have actually gone out, and most of the lights that are on the dash were to do with not being able to receive signals from other modules, because they all interlink with each other, and if one's upset it can actually cause a chain reaction and upset all the other modules. But anyways guys, that is literally on how to do an ABS sensor on a Mark III Caddy. As you can see, not exactly the most difficult in the world. I wish it was like that on my car. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you in the next one. Rev her up, boy! Never gets old. Take it easy, guys.